The momentum effect. Using post-repair content to trigger repeat roofing leads is all about what happens after the roofing job is done. Most companies pack up and move on, but the real opportunity starts when the last nail goes in. Homeowners remember how you made them feel, not just the finished roof. That's why smart roofers use post-repair content to stay visible and trusted. Share real stories from recent projects, show before and after photos, and send a genuine thank you message. These small touches keep your company top of mind. Mention local neighborhoods to make your work feel close to home. Reach out within 72 hours while the experience is still fresh. A quick follow-up, a helpful tip, or a customer testimonial can spark another lead. Consistent, authentic updates turn one-time clients into loyal advocates, creating a ripple effect that brings in repeat business and steady growth.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.